Hey everybody, welcome back to new video. So this is where we left in the previous video. We have seen how we can define an integer and string. So in this video we're gonna see how we can comment some code, or how can we can write comments. And the next thing is that we are going to do some maths inside this Kotlin. So what we do is, let's see how we can write comments. So we use double slash, and then whatever we write is a comment, and this won't be executed by the compiler, because if it sees to double backslash, it automatically says that okay, this thing is going to be comment, so we have to just ignore it. So comment is basically for making others to understand what code is written, right? So this is how we can do it. Click enter, and yep, this is how we can use write comments. And this is mainly used for a single line of comment. What if we have to make multiple lines of comment? So for that, what we do is we type backslash, then this sign, and here everything written inside this is going to be comment. This is how we write multiple lines of comment. We just use slash and then star. So yep, this is how we can use, or you know write comments in the Java code. So let's say if we have selected this two lines and we have to make this as a comment. So what we do is we simply type command and backslash, and in Windows we type control and this slash, and it will simply convert it to comments. Okay, so this is how we use comments, and let's see what other things that we have. Okay, let's create a variable of let's say this thing is called weight, and the type is double here. As you can see, we got double, and we can also change it to float, and then we have long and all the data types. So let's say we have double, and this thing is a 50 dot, let's say something like this. Now let's print this. Okay, so let's simply run and see what happens. So here it says 50.687, and if you want to convert it into integer, what we type is weight dot to. We have all the option char, double, float, and we have to convert it into int. So hit enter, and if I run this again, it will say just 50 because it is converted into integer. So let's get rid of this line, and let's get the circumference of a circle. So let's change this variable weight to radius, let's say, and okay, let's not define the data type, and the radius is 50, and then we need pi. So var pi is equal to 3.14, and it will automatically detect that this thing is going to be, this pi is going to be double. Okay, now println 2 multiplied pi, and what the next is radius. That's it. Now let's run this and see what we got. So here it says 314.0. So this is the circumference of a circle with radius 50, and let's say if we have to convert this pi to integer, so it will only uses 3 as the value of pi, because it will simply ignore what we have after the decimal. So this is, we have 300. So yes, this is how we can define doubles and floats, and we can also perform different types of mathematical operation. Let's see what else what we have. Okay, var, let's call it total money, and let's say the total money that we have is 500. Now if we have to add few money or few numbers to this 500, what we do is we simply type total and then plus sign equal to, what we have to add is, let's say, 100. Now print this and see what we got. We got this total sign, then plus equal to 100, and it will get 600 for us because we have added 100 to this. So this line is basically equal to saying total money plus 100. So here, as you can see, we got this warning, and if I click on this warning, it says replaceable with operator assignment. So if I click on this, it will change its assignment. So also we can use a minus sign here, and it will subtract 100 from 500, and we will get with 400. So here is 400, and that's it. So in this video we have seen how we can use comments, how we can add comments, how we can make some few lines which are already written, and how we can convert it to comments. And then we have seen how we can do little maths inside a Kotlin. So yes, that's it for this video, and hope to see you in the next video.